First, I'd like to thank FedEx for sponsoring this competition. The 2 times that we've participated, it's pushed us to rediscover who we are and why we do what we do. It has stimulated our creative juices and helped us to organize our thoughts about the future. Thank you for that opportunity. Ever since I was young, I've been passionate about rescuing old things that were being discarded. I was a regular at certain dumpsters, and there were many holes in the woods near my house where I would dig up old bottles, and I rarely threw anything away. As an adult, I realized I couldn't continue this trend as I was running out of space. I began to sell some of my childhood treasures on eBay in order to downsize. But when I realized that people wanted the kind of stuff that I knew how to find, I started buying more stuff for the purpose of reselling. Eventually, my wife joined the effort, and as our side business grew, our daughter came to work with us. Finally, in 2012, with the help of 2 business partners, we launched RoofTop Antiques as a full-time business. We think of our business as high-end recycling. We source items from garage sales, auctions, estate sales, and even private individuals. If needed, we refurbish those items, and then we offer them for sale online. We've shipped items to all 50 states and 68 countries. In the process, we've rescued tens of thousands of unique treasures and prevented tons of items from ending up in the landfill. We have discovered that people buy our items for 3 primary reasons, represented by our motto: replace, reunite, and reminisce, a new perspective on old things. Customers frequently tell us that we've helped them replace something that they've lost or broken, how we've reunited them with something from their past, or how we've helped them remember a certain time period. Initially, the success of our business was directly tied to the success of eBay. All of our sales were conducted through that channel. But as eBay's business model began to change, we found it had a very negative impact on our sales. I was challenged by these statements from one of my mentors. Changes in the marketplace are doubtless affecting your business. Do you have plans to evolve into what you need to be, or are you hunkering down in denial? Have you adapted to what is, or are you trying to turn back the clock the way things ought to be, the way things used to be? And finally, desperation is the mark of every true entrepreneur. We have felt that desperation more than once, and it doesn't feel good. But we've tried to use that feeling as motivation to evolve into what we need to be. It forced us to develop our own website on our own, completely from scratch, with no previous experience. It has prompted us to designate my daughter Annie our brand ambassador, devoting all of her time to social media efforts through every channel available, including all of the effort put into this FedEx campaign. It encouraged us to start a YouTube channel featuring DIY tips using another local product, Kramer's Best Antique Improver. And we have developed a blog on our website that provides many helpful tips. These are just a few of the ways we've attempted to use the knowledge that we've gained to help others and mentor others. It's inspired us to work with a local artisan to develop our own brand of handmade furniture that we call Brassfield Originals. It's comprised of 4 different styles that complement our business: barnwood, mid-century, live edge, and upcycled collections. This is the area of development that we would like to focus on with the help of a FedEx Small Business Grant. Finally, it pushed us to begin working through other sales channels like Etsy. This has given us the opportunity to develop a custom furniture option for Brassfield Originals. I will end where I started, with FedEx. It's interesting to me that you're looking for a business that is prepared to be an ambassador or a mentor to other businesses. Not only are we prepared, we're already doing this, both with industry-related topics as well as FedEx specifically. We regularly share our positive experiences with FedEx shipping with other sellers like us. As experts in packaging, we've taught others how to properly prepare their items for safe shipping. In fact, we'd like to start a YouTube channel specifically for this purpose. We have guided other sellers through the difficult topic of LTL freight shipping. And we have shared our partnership with FedEx through social media. We are proud of the relationship, and we're ready to take it to the next level. Thank you.